Alright, so I put together 5 fragrances you probably own, and if you don't, you could get them for under 30 bucks. These are good, nothing brand spanking new, just simply don't get enough love. I think all of them I've talked about before, except for maybe one. So nonetheless, let's jump into this. Starting off the list, we're going to go with Burberry Weekend. This stuff is easy to wear. Like I said, not some weird groundbreaking DNA. It's got a plethora of notes. Lots of melon I get, some pineapple. It's got some honey, some amber, some musk. This one to me kind of smells like a really nice lotion. Like it's got this kind of a suntan lotion or like a everyday lotion kind of smell. Very creamy to me. Very, very nice. Inoffensive. Easy to wear. Anytime, any place, any season, for any reason. Nobody's going to be offended, and I think it's going to smell pretty pleasant to pretty much everybody. I have a small bottle. I should have got a bigger one. Maybe I will someday because I love this stuff. Came out in, I think, 97. Been around for a while, but nobody's wearing it anymore, so you'll be unique. Burberry Weekend. Check this one out. All right, number 2 is going to be Joop Homme. Came out in the late 80s. This stuff's a powerhouse. I've probably never talked about this one as far as I can remember. It's got some cinnamon. It's got some heliotrope. It's got some orange blossom. It's got a whole crap load of notes. Smells very dry and dusty to me. This is going to be kind of a negative sounding thing, but it kind of reminds me of a car air freshener. It smells like somebody's air freshener that's overpowering in their car. It's a powerhouse. Do not overspray this or you're going to choke yourself out. But like I said, came out in the late 80s, so nobody's really wearing this anymore. It's kind of like it's brand new now because, like I said, it came out so long ago that no one really remembers it. But it's powerful. Joop Homme. All right, number 3 is going to be English Laundry's Tahetian water. Super affordable. My God, this is, in my opinion, the best English laundry fragrance around. Just tropical. This smells so tropical. Oh my God, you get the lime, you get the coconut, you get the orange, the ylang ylang. It just smells like a tropical drink on a beach with white sand, beautiful water, perfect weather, spicy ladies walking around wearing next to nothing, smiling at you. My God, if this doesn't put you in a good mood, you're a zombie. This is one of the sexiest, most uplifting, smile on your face fragrances I've ever smelled. I love this stuff. I will never be without this one. English Laundry's Tahitian water. Number 4 is going to be Armoff's, the Pride of Armaf. And I know some of you guys are getting mad right now. Look, some of you don't like Dior Sauvage or Dior Sauvage style fragrances. You know what? Go in the corner and sit by yourself because the rest of us like it and we want to enjoy it. Pride of Armaf, super affordable. They did a great job. This is a very, very good way to get your hands on some Sauvage style DNA. In fact, off the top of my head, it's one of my favorites. This is probably better than most of the Sauvage style fragrances that I've smelled. They did a great job. Reminds me the most of the EDT. And I swear, maybe I'm crazy, but I swear to you, man, there's like a weird blueberry note maybe. Something like that. It's not in there. It's not listed. Everyone tells me I'm crazy that I talk to, but I almost get like a hint of a blueberry note in this, but whatever. It smells like Sauvage, smells great. Decent bottle, kind of cool. They did a good job. Performs well, pretty affordable. Armoff's the Pride of Armaf. And number 5, lastly, we got cheap old Guess Dare. Nobody shows this stuff any love. Guess Dare is a very underrated fragrance, very affordable. In my opinion, it reminds me of like kind of a watered down Bleu de Chanel style DNA. I think that's what they were going for. It smells very good. Very easy, very classy, very put together. You're going to smell like a sharp guy that's got his ish together. They did a good job with this one. I got this bottle for like $19.99 back when I got it. You can get it online for next to nothing. Guess Dare is super slept on. It has been just forgotten in the sea of a bazillion fragrances that everyone talks about. This is cheap. It's not groundbreaking, but it's safe. It's good. You're not going to offend anybody, and you're probably going to get a compliment because this is a very good tried and true DNA. Like I said, it reminds me a little bit of Bleu de Chanel. Just a very easy, inoffensive, kind of watered down version of that style DNA. Very good. Guess Dare. Get your hands on it if you haven't already. Hey man, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop me a like. It'd be doing me a favor. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. God almighty, why haven't you? Until next time guys, take your vitamins, hit the gym, always stay improving. God bless. Be well. I'm out.